10 healthy years of life may depend on the biological activity currently happening inside your stomach. New 2026 science reveals. This chart shows the discrepancy between how long we live and how long we stay healthy. On average, humans spend the final 9 years of their lives in significant physical decline. The human body is home to trillions of non-human bacterial cells. This vast microbiome represents a massive, often overlooked biological resource. These bacteria operate as dormant biological factories, capable of synthesizing life-extending compounds when provided with the correct chemical instructions. Closing the 9-year health gap requires shifting our perspective. The human body is less like a machine to be fixed and more like an ecosystem to be farmed. In 2026, researchers demonstrated that these microbial factories can be intentionally activated using specific triggers. When prompted, gut bacteria synthesize colanic acid, a molecule that has been shown to extend the lifespan of host organisms. This flowchart illustrates how colanic acid impacts the host. It triggers 3 measurable improvements: optimized metabolism, healthier cholesterol levels, and better insulin regulation. To achieve this effect in a lab setting, scientists exposed the gut microbiota to low doses of an antibiotic called cephaloridine. Cephaloridine is effective because it is not absorbed into the bloodstream. It remains in the gut, influencing the bacteria without causing systemic toxicity or side effects in the rest of the body. The cephaloridine experiment proves the gut can act as an isolated production site, manufacturing specific anti-aging molecules for the entire body. Long-term antibiotic use is not a practical solution for the general public, so scientists looked for a natural way to keep these factories running. This led to the Fibermaxxing protocol, a dietary strategy designed to provide the microbiome with the specific inputs it needs to synthesize colonic acid daily. Maintaining the factory requires 22 to 34 grams of fiber daily, or 14 grams per 1,000 calories. Soluble fiber dissolves into a gel, serving as the primary fuel for colonic acid. Insoluble fiber acts as a conveyor belt, clearing out waste. Both fiber types are necessary for system stability. Relying on just one can lead to imbalances, resulting in constipation or diarrhea. Fiber provides the raw materials and fuel required to keep these microbial factories operational and productive. Once production begins in the gut, benefits extend to every major system in the body. The colonic acid triggers systemic chemical signals that travel to our major organs and the brain, influencing our overall biological state. This continuous signaling slows biological aging across our human cells, helping to bridge the gap between our lifespan and our health span. There is no single pill or superfood that can bypass this biological requirement. Consistent daily fiber intake is the necessary maintenance to keep these microbial factories from shutting down. If you want to optimize your gut health and age slower, subscribe to Vitality Protocol HQ for more science-backed longevity documentaries. Longevity is ultimately a task of